You can also filter out and email out certain selection of people inside of an event from Google Calendar. So to do that, you can see that I have an event right here. So if I were to go around over here, you can see email guests is an option. Once I click on this, you can see that this is what you have. And here you can see that you can only email out the people who says yes. So you can uncheck this out. And what happens is that only the people who are like, let's say, have accepted the invitation, then they will be emailed out. If you want to email out people who have not responded yet, then you might want to check the bottom one right here, just like this. And if you were to email out the ones who have declined, then you'll have that option over here as well. Similarly, you can go around and then type in the email message according to how you like it, and you can filter it out. Then depending on whether they accept it or not, you can see that that is how you can filter it out. And of course, you can send yourself a copy as well. So I'm going to say email the ones who have said yes. I'm going to say welcome on board right here. And if I were to click on send, then the email message will be sent to the ones who have accepted, just like that. And that is how you can select out people in an event inside of Google Calendar and only email those people out. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.